right. So lat pull downs are my personal favorite because everybody wants wings, but nobody's trying to do some lat pull downs. So if you're trying to get some wings and kind of get those lats kind of like those width and those thickness. Lat pull downs will get you the width. Thickness is just about rows. But how I properly execute this is, of course, you gotta pick a weight that you want and start off with that. So there are certain things that I do with this that a lot of people don't do. Is I kind of like to bring the weight down and be able to squeeze on it. Because when I squeeze on, I'm able to contract my lats and activate it a lot more. And the one thing that I do that is extremely interesting to me is that when I bring the weight all the way up, I'm able to actually like move my neck and my head forward so that way I can get that full stretch. As you can see, just like the camera angle, you can see the lats is fully stretched out. And then you bring it down. Squeeze on it, eccentric motions, and you release. You stretch it out, bring it down slow and control. Stretch it out, control, stretch it out. So the slower you perform your reps, the more intense you perform your reps, the more you feel your muscles completely engaged and activated. So that's how I personally like to do my lat pull downs. And there will be more coming up for that, for how to do specific different exercises. This is just the first of many because, again, I like lats and I like to fly, but without Red Bull. I find myself to grow a lot better when I do lower volume. By lower volume, I mean, I would have a selection of maybe 1 to 2 exercises, and actually make it 1 to 3 exercises. And what I would do is I would do, as you just saw, I would do my warm-up set on the very first exercise, and then everything else that follows after that warm-up sets is just gonna be 2 working sets. And I would give it all the effort I can, go at least 1 to 3 reps shy of failure, take a 2 to 3 minute break, and then repeat it again.